Alright, so today's useless, non-necessary project, I picked up these hanging lights, and they are going to replace the Christmas lights that I have up, and then I have a rope light that I'll move that as well. Alrighty, so it's been about an hour, not much to look at, but got to there. So that's where the rope lights start, so I'll be taking down the rope lights as I put these new ones up. But they're nice. Alright, all done. Let's walk on the side. So they go all the way around and then go like halfway around the other side of the house. So wait till tonight, plug them in, see how they look. Hey Google, turn on the outside backyard lights. There we go.
Ta-da! Ta-da! Let there be light. It's so bright.
Yeah, it's great.
Wow.
I don't know how bright it looks on the GoPro, but
oh my gosh, so much better.
in real life, it's like a nice evening out here, minus all our project stuff.